That did not look like Simon Cowell in my book. Without the trousers, you can never tell. You know what I mean?
Trousers uchel.
Trousers uchel. Is that right?
Perfect.
It's time to welcome our next guest, isn't it? Gwesteion nesaf.
Gwesteion
nesaf. Da iawn fi.
Da iawn ti.
Yes, which is
our next guest, Rhodri Owen. Yay!
Rhodri Owen. Rodders. Love it.
Iawn te.
Now it's time for a lesson.
What are we going to ask, Rhodri?
So many things.
So many things, right.
So little time.
Mae Rhodri wedi gweithio ar llawer iawn o raglenni gwyliau. He's always got the good jobs. He's always been off on holiday, hasn't he?
Is that permatan thing? That must be it. Or is it from a bottle? Question nesa.
Holiday programme. Wish you were here.
Wish you were here, Rodders.
Efo Judith. Right, so how about we ask him, where do you like going on holiday, Rhodri?
That's a good question.
Yeah. So we're going to say, see here, literally, to where? To where do you go on holiday?
To where do you go on holiday? I could do that, but in Cymraeg, yeah?
Yn union. I ble.
I ble.
Now, see there's a little bracket round there, iawn? So, I ble in South Wales, but us gogs would just say I le.
I le.
I le, okay? But
that's easy, actually, I le.
I le, there we go.
Quite like that, I
le.
le.
Gog for today.
The gogs, come on.
Yes. Okay, so, I le.
I ble.
I ble.
Wyt ti'n mynd.
Wyt
ti'n hoffi mynd.
Yeah.
I'r wyliau.
Ar wyliau.
Ar wyliau.
Or even if you leave hoffi out, you know, I ble wyt ti'n mynd ar wyliau? Where are you going on holiday?
Where are you going? Yeah, okay.
So what do you like about Australia, iawn?
Okay.
So what? You know what is?
Beth.
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 Do you like or are you liking?
Wyt ti'n hoffi?
Yeah. About?
Am.
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am?
So what do you like about Australia? How do you say that?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am Australia?
Yeah. What do you like about Spain?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am Spain?
What do you like about Cardiff?
Beth wyt ti'n hoffi am Caerdydd? Nghaerdydd.
No, Caerdydd. Dim much.
Dim ots.
Right, Rhodri has got a new series.
Beth am?
Beth ydy'r?
Beth ydy'r? I don't even want to see it. Teledu.
You need to put series.
Series.
Gyfres.
Gyfres. Gan. I've lost it. You're with me, aren't you? Come on. All your learners out there. It's difficult. It is difficult. Come on. Do it again. Let's go back over it.
Beth ydy'r gyfres dyledu newydd?
Okay.
Ond tra dyn ni'n ymarfer, let's hope this is a long clip, because we need a little bit more practice. Felly, gwyliwch hwn, Rhodri ar heno.